Howdy there pluckers, Ivor Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson. This one again is another golden oldie instrumental from the Shadows, and this one's called FBI, of course. Okay, so this is going to be in standard tuning, no capos, in the key of A, which is the original Shadows key. Okay, quick word on this, it's a slightly abridged version for the acoustic guitar. Obviously on the original, on the third verse I think it is, we go up to the very high frets doing quite a bit of bending and such like, which for most people on the acoustic I don't think is applicable, so I left that out and just did another standard verse. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days for the lesson if you're interested. Bye for now.